Tracking customer interactions is essential for building stronger relationships and increasing sales. In this video, we'll break down how to effectively track customer interactions in Salesflare, a CRM designed to automate your sales process and give you more time to focus on what really matters, your customers. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to make the most of Salesflare's features to streamline your interactions and improve your sales workflow. Salesflare is all about simplifying customer relationship management, and one of the ways it does this is by automatically logging interactions. You don't need to manually input every email, call, or meeting. Salesflare does it for you, saving you tons of time and ensuring you never miss a key touchpoint. It automatically syncs your email, calendar, and social media accounts, pulling in all relevant data to give you a clear, organized view of each customer interaction. When you track customer interactions in Salesflare, it doesn't just stop at basic data. You get insightful reports and activity logs. You'll see the full communication history with your clients, from emails and phone calls to meetings and notes. This feature gives you a comprehensive picture of where each customer is in your sales pipeline and what actions are needed next. You can also use Salesflare's activity reminder feature. It allows you to set reminders for follow-ups based on specific customer interactions. This way, you're always on top of important conversations, whether it's to follow up on a deal, schedule another call, or send an additional email. Setting these reminders helps you stay proactive and ensures that no interaction slips through the cracks. If you're handling multiple clients or leads at once, Salesflare's segmentation tools are a game changer. You can track customer interactions for specific groups or industries, helping you tailor your communication. For example, if you want to see how many interactions you've had with clients in a particular region or sector, you can filter and view these details with just a few clicks. Now, Salesflare doesn't just capture interactions, it also helps you manage them. You can log tasks, set reminders, and even note important details that can help you personalize your follow-ups. All of this information is available at your fingertips, making it much easier to maintain organized and meaningful interactions with your customers. One feature you'll find particularly useful is the automatic update of your customer profiles. Whenever a new interaction takes place, whether it's an email, call, or meeting, Salesflare updates the profile automatically. This keeps your CRM accurate without the need for manual input, giving you a real-time updated view of every customer's journey. Finally, tracking interactions through Salesflare doesn't just help you close more deals. It also gives you insight into what's working and what's not in your sales strategy. Salesflare's analytics dashboard offers valuable data that helps you track customer engagement, see where sales are stagnating, and adjust your approach as needed. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to track customer interactions in Salesflare and how this can save you time while boosting your sales productivity. And remember, you can use this software completely free with our exclusive bonuses by checking the link in the description below. This extended free trial gives you full access to Salesflare's features so you can start streamlining your customer interactions right away. Don't miss out. Click the link and try it for yourself.